So here I am rocking my fake Shure SM7B. In the middle of the night, plenty things happen to me. In the middle of the night, I know. So I bought a fake Shure SM7B and here I am rocking it. This is my Shure SM7B. It's a fake one, but it costs some money. It's over $100, about $150 for this. The real Shure SM7B is around $400. However, lots of people have paid even the $400 and a fake was sold to them.
And this thing is just a piece of junk. In Australian dollars, was around $600. It's just not an SM7B.
How did I know that mine was fake? Was because of the price. I mean, it was sold at $150. Come on, who buys a $400 mic for $150 and expects that microphone to function like a $400 microphone? It's not possible. I knew right away that I was buying a fake, and the reason I did not hesitate is simply because 90 to 95% of the people using the Shure SM7B microphone in my country are using the fake version. And when you tell the sellers that they are selling the fake version, they just want to fight you and tell you, what do you mean? I bought it original from company, this and that. Come on, it's the fake. The price is one of the reasons that I know that what they're selling, majority of what they're selling, it's fake. Oops. Heavy. This thing is heavy. Why is it shrunk? So this is the microphone. Look at it. Another reason I know that almost every seller in my country selling a fake is because if you check the product, if you check the contents in the box, it matches the color, the design matches everything they say about the fake one. Everything. So it's not just the price. The content of the box matches everything that is used to describe the fake. It's like I'm sweating. This light is giving me so much heat in here. Oh my God. So how does it sound? How does the fake sound? Is there a difference between the fake and the real one in terms of sound quality? The most painful aspect of this is that I contacted Shure asking to tell me the difference between the fake and the real, and Shure could not give me a clear answer. Shure said that the only way to tell, rather than tell me, you're the manufacturer, you should just point out something to me, to let me know that I've paid for something that is fake. But rather than Shure just go straight to tell me that this is where I'll be able to identify the fake from the real or the real from the fake, Shure said that it's difficult, sir, to let you know the fake from the real. Unless you buy it from one of our agents or distributors, there's no way we can tell that you have bought a fake Shure SM7B microphone. Shure said that. Shure said that the only way that they can tell me that I've bought a genuine one is if I bought it from a genuine agent. In my country, I don't even know where their agents are. I don't even think they exist. It's just some traders who go to China to buy this stuff and bring them here. They go to China. Who are your distributors? Now, some people are saying that this fake Shure microphone is actually a product of Shure. Shure is the one manufacturing the fake. Shure, who manufactures the original, is the one manufacturing the fake too. Yeah, because some people are claiming that the fake also has some good sound quality, and that because they know that lots of people cannot afford the $400 version, they decided to make the cheaper one so that those people who can't afford the $400 version can also rock the cheaper version. As I'm making this video, it's raining now, and whenever it rains, the roof makes some crazy noise that will ruin my video. So I guess it's time to end this video. So if you think at the end of the day, the sound quality came out well on my fake Shure SM7B, let me know in the comments. And let me know when you're going to get yours too, if you cannot afford the real one. I'm not encouraging anybody to go and get the fake one. If you find yourself in a country where the real one is so expensive and the fake one is 90 to 99% of what's in the market, do you have a choice? In my own case, I did not have a choice. The real one was nowhere to be found. I had to buy this one. And even the seller was claiming it was real. I was just laughing because of the price. So if you think that it sounded good, it's raining. So if the noise is kind of distorted now, it's because of the rain. I don't want to go and come back and make a separate video or continue this part. I just want you to hear it along with the rain. Oh, it's also on a fake boom pole. I had to make this separate audio with a different microphone to talk about my boom amp stand. Yes, my boom amp stand is a budget boom amp stand. As you can see, it's connected to just this chair. I don't have a proper table yet, so it's connected to the chair. And I'm using right now to talk a Boya by M1 microphone. It's a budget microphone. I think it's about $20. In case you're wondering what the Shure SM7B is connected to, it's connected to a Zoom H6 All Black edition. An XLR cable is connected straight from the microphone into my Boom H6 All Black. People always recommend that you use a cloud lifter, but I am not using a cloud lifter. It's connected directly to the Zoom H6, and my volume is set at 7 on the Zoom H6. Now here's the original audio without any treatment from Adobe Premiere Pro. So I bought a fake Shure SM7B, and here I am rocking it. This is my Shure SM7B. So basically, that is my setup. So thank you for watching. My name is Nev Harrison. In the middle of the night, plenty things happen to me. In the middle of the night, I know it's raining heavily. That's the rain. That's the rain. I mean, the rain will mess up any microphone, not just the Shure SM7B. Bye-bye, friends. Bye.